Looking for a great mirror effect on your nails which works on a regular nail polish? Then stay tuned and welcome to Nails for Sanam. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel and hit that notification bell for future updates. So here I have metallic mirror effect chrome powders for nail, resin and craft. This is from Laza and I'm going to review this. So thank you Laza for sending me this product to review. So here I have in green, and boy, this looks really beautiful. I really love the color from the jar. So let's open it up. And wow, look at this, it's amazing. The pigment, it's so amazing. And look at this, wow. So you can use this for many different reasons, for UV nails, gel nails, acrylic nails and even natural nails, which I'm going to try today. So this is their red color and this is even prettier. So I'm going to see how it looks on my skin. Wow, it is so pigmented. The colors are really bright and pigmented and very shimmery. So I'm expecting some really beautiful effect from this. So here I have applied the regular nail polish and a regular top coat, a clear coat, and wait until it is tacky, a little bit tacky. And I'm going to just gently apply the powder with the applicator that provided, and you can see how pretty the effect is. Now I'm going to try the green one and it's even prettier. So this is the first chrome powder that I have, which works on the regular nail polish, and I highly recommend it because it's very pigmented. With this amount of jar you can do about 150 nails. Pretty much value for the product. And this is how it looks on black, white and clear base coat, and they are available in many different colors like blue, pink, copper and champagne and gold, silver. So get yours today, order now. I have link in the description box, and thank you for watching.